Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to react to Discord messages on your mobile phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Discord app. Now go to Messages option and select your friend. Now, if you want to react on these messages, you just have to long press on it. Now select your react. That's it. So this is how to react to Discord messages on your mobile phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.